One writer documenting earning $2,000 per month ghostwriting LinkedIn posts for busy professionals. And it was all done from his laptop. There wasn't any office he used. And he was using AI to do most of the heavy lifting. Meanwhile, his friend was driving around the rain, delivering burritos for minimum wage plus tips at his job. They were working the same amount of time, but getting completely different results. You see, here's what's changed. AI tools have gotten so good that college students can now offer real services to real businesses without any prior experience. They don't need a car, they don't even need to leave their dorm. And I found 7 of these AI skills that are actually working right now. These aren't made up theoretical side hustles. People are doing these and getting paid. But I also need to be upfront with you. None of these will pay you this weekend. Every single one has a ramp up period where you're learning and building before the money shows up. So if you need cash tonight, honestly, go deliver food. If you want to build something that pays more over the next few months, keep watching. Hey, I'm Sen from Side Hustle Mastery, and let me give you some quick context on why these side hustles work. When you deliver food, your pay is capped. You trade hours for dollars, and you need a car, gas, insurance, and you're working during peak meal hours when you should probably be studying. AI side hustles flip that. Your startup cost is a laptop and Wi-Fi. You work whenever you want and you're building skills companies actually pay for after graduation. Marketing, copywriting, design, automation, all of this can go into your resume. However, saying that you've delivered 847 orders on DoorDash, it doesn't really work as well. So let me tell you some realistic earnings for beginners. The first couple months are usually slow. You might make a few $100 total, and after 3 to 6 months of consistent work, that's when things will start scaling for you. In fact, some go much higher, but those are outlier examples which I'll discuss later. Okay, so the first AI side hustle is probably the fastest to start earning with. Most students can actually land the first paying client within 2 to 3 weeks. This is because there are thousands of YouTubers and podcasters who record hour-long videos but have zero short-form content. They don't have any TikToks, any Reels, no YouTube Shorts. And they know they should be posting clips, but they just don't have the time to chop up their own long-form videos. That's where you come in. All you need to do is take their long-form content, use AI tools to find the best clips, add captions, crop it to vertical, and deliver ready-to-post short-form videos. In fact, tools like Opus Clip and Submagic can automatically identify the most engaging moments and format for you to repurpose their long-form clips. CapCut handles the final editing and is completely free. If you want to take it further, you can also use Descript, which lets you edit videos like a text document. So you delete words from the transcript and it cuts the video for you. This is super useful when your client wants tweaks, as well as any fine margin edits. Now, what you charge depends on your setup. If you search short form video editing on Fiverr, you'll see gigs ranging from about $10 a minute up to $100 per project. And some students charge per clip. Others might work on a monthly retainer. If one clip takes off and hits over 100,000 views, it can actually pay itself many times over if you're using a performance deal. Now, the students who do well, what they do is they find creators who have around 10,000 or 100,000 subscribers. They're big enough to have content worth clipping, but they're too small to already have a dedicated editor working with them. All you need to do is DM them, show them a sample clip you made from their existing content as a free demo, and literally pitch your services. Students who do this and land clients always lead with a free sample. And make sure that your DMs that you send are not generic or don't have any proof of work done. Alright, great. So that first side hustle requires you to find clients. But this second AI side hustle uses the exact same outreach strategy but pays significantly more per project. This is because Side Hustle 2 is targeted at business owners, founders, and executives who know that they should be posting on LinkedIn. Most of them hate doing it. They don't have time to write thoughts and leadership posts, and they definitely don't want to sound generic. So what they do is they hire ghost writers. And with AI, you can do this in a fraction of the time it used to take. Here's the workflow. You hop in a 15-minute call with a client, ask about their week and any opinions on industry trends. Then you draft up posts using Claude or ChatGPT. Now, the trick is feeding the AI examples of how your client actually talks so the output sounds exactly like them and not some AI slop. But what can you actually earn with this AI side hustle? Well, one writer documented hitting $2,000 per month ghostwriting LinkedIn content, and they started on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Then they started building direct client relationships over time. Their key move was niching down, So instead of saying, I write LinkedIn posts for anyone, they actually position themselves as a ghostwriter specifically for one industry. This is because specificity beats generic every single time. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are solid starting points. Upwork has a promotion going on right now, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so those first two AI side hustles, they require active client work. Now, this next one is completely different. In fact, you have no clients, no calls, and no deadlines because you build it once and it actually earns while you're asleep or in class. You've probably seen YouTube channels with millions of views, but no human face anywhere. Just stock footage, a voiceover, and captions. It could be horror stories, fun facts, history breakdowns. They're everywhere now. And honestly, some of them are making serious money. Now, the AI tools you need to use this is straightforward. All you need is ChatGPT or Claude for scripts, 11 Labs for the AI voiceover. Then you need to get some stock footage or AI image generations for the visuals. And then you can use CapCut to assemble it all. And if you want to skip stock footage entirely, you can actually try HeyGen, which lets you create AI avatars that present your content on camera, so you never have to record anything. In fact, one 21-year-old who was running multiple faceless channels documented making over $1.4 million in YouTube ad revenue in a single year. Now, with individual channels, they were pulling in anywhere from $90,000 to over $300,000 per month, depending on trending topics. But that's someone running 17 plus channels with a whole freelance team. He also said that about 80% of the channels he launched actually failed. So here's the honest truth. Most faceless channels make nothing for months. You might post 30 or 40 videos before anything gets traction. The students who make it work treat it like a semester-long project, not just a weekend experiment. So posting 1 or 2 videos daily for 60 days is typically what it takes before the algorithm picks up your channel. But here's the upside. Once videos get views, they keep earning. A video you made last September still generates ad revenue in this March without you touching it. Okay, so we've talked about content repurposing, ghostwriting, and faceless channels, and they're all content related. But this next AI side hustle is completely different, and most students don't even know this market actually exists. If you go onto Google Maps and search for plumbers, cleaners, or landscapers in any small town, and then you click through the websites, honestly, half of them look like they were built back in 2008, and some don't even have any websites at all. Now, these business owners know their online presence is bad, but they just don't know how to fix it. And a professional web developer quotes them thousands and thousands of dollars that they just can't afford. So this is where you come in. What you can do is you can build them a clean professional website in a few hours using a platform like Hostinger. This is an AI website builder which has hosting included. And right now, they're offering up to 75% off through the link below. You can also use Canva for any custom graphics or logos that the client will need. If you charge them a few $100s up front, then offer monthly maintenance of the website for $50 to $100 a month. If you get 5 clients paying you $100 a month, that's $500 of recurring income every single month. Now, to outreach the clients here is very simple. All you need to do is find businesses with bad or missing websites, and then just send or text them a short message explaining what you noticed and what you can do for them. Some students even mock up a quick homepage before reaching out so the owner can see exactly what they'll get. All right, so we're 4 side hustles down, and this next one might actually be the easiest to start because people are already buying this on Fiverr right now, and most of the work literally takes 15 minutes per order. YouTubers, podcasters, and course creators all need thumbnails constantly. A bad thumbnail means nobody clicks on their video no matter how good their content actually is. So they're desperate to find good thumbnail designers. Now with Midjourney for custom images and Canva for layout and text, you can produce professional thumbnails in literally 15 to 20 minutes once you have a system set down. On Fiverr, thumbnail gigs range from $5 all the way up to $100 or more per package deal. The lower end is single thumbnails, and the higher end is bundles of 5 to 10 thumbnails with revisions. The money isn't huge per order, but the volume is definitely there. Some sellers have hundreds and hundreds of completed orders, and once a creator likes a style, they'll come back every single week. and that's when it turns into consistent recurring income. However, the mistake most people make is that they have some kind of generic portfolio. The students who get the most orders study what's working on the platform right now. They reverse engineer thumbnail styles from top performing videos in specific niches and put that front and center in their gig samples. Alright, so all the side hustles so far have some element of where you're selling a service or building your own channel. This next one is different because you actually create something once, put up for sale, and it earns while you sleep. This AI side hustle has you designing templates, planners, checklists, study guides, budget trackers, or social media templates in Canva. Then you list them on Etsy or Gumroad. People then buy them. You don't have to ship anything. In fact, students are turning class notes and study systems into products. A well-organized study planner, that's a product. A budget tracker for college students, that's another product. An Instagram story template for small businesses, you guessed it, that's another product. AI also speeds this up dramatically because you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm what people actually search for. Then you can design it all in Canva. In fact, Canva templates typically sell for anywhere from $12 to $100, just depending on how complex it was to create. Some students bundle related templates into more toolkits to charge more per sale. And for realistic expectations, your first few products might sell 1 or 2 copies a month, and the sellers who make real money though have 20, 30, or even 50 products listed. Each one earns a little, but when it's combined, a few $100s a month is what to expect. The investment is also front loaded. All you need to do is spend a weekend designing 10 templates and then just post them onto your store, and you'll sit there earning while you focus on your exams or whatever else you want to be doing. Alright, now for this last AI side hustle. This is probably the weirdest hustle on the list, and it probably might be the most passive once you've set it up. You see, 11 Labs and similar tools can actually clone voices and generate professional sounding audio. That's opened up this whole category of work that didn't exist only 2 years ago. Services people are selling include AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, narration for audiobooks, voice acting for ads, and explainer videos and custom AI voices for content creators who want a consistent sound without having to record it themselves or their own voice. And the passive income side of this is very interesting. In fact, a blogger documented earning over $1,000 in 5 months of passive income just from uploading 2 voice clones of themselves to the 11 Labs voice library. You see, with 11 Labs, every time someone used his voice to generate audio, he actually got paid, and he sets it up just once. 11 Labs have confirmed that creators have actually earned a combined $5 million through the voice libraries so far. Honestly, this might be quite a good side hustle to check out. The entry point is offering voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and someone needs a voiceover for their explainer video. And now, instead of them having to hire a voice actor for like $500, all they do is pay you $50 to $150, and you just deliver using AI tools. And the quality here is genuinely impressive, and clients often can't even tell the difference between a human and an AI clone. However, here's a fair warning. This space is changing really fast, so what works today might shift as technology evolves and platform updates the policies. So make sure you stay on top of tool updates and be transparent with clients about your process. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. Most students who try AI side hustles quit within the first month because they expected faster results. So for the first 30 to 60 days, these are going to be a grind, I can't lie. You're learning the tools, building samples, sending outreach. That mostly gets ignored. So you might make a couple $100s at total, maybe even less. However, months 2 through to 4 is where things will start clicking, because you've refined your client pitches, you've got a few clients already, or your channel is getting traction. So you might be earning a few $100 to $1,000 a month. That's a realistic amount to expect, with consistent hours of work put in every single day. After 6 months, students who stuck with it, they actually report earning significantly more. Some go much higher, but they're usually doing $15 to $20 hours a week at that point. However, the biggest reason people fail is because they just try 3 different side hustles for 1 week, instead of just committing to one, going all in for like 3 months. So make sure you pick one from this list. Just one. Get really good at it and focus on expanding much later down the line. And a quick tip on staying organized. If you're juggling multiple clients, outreach, deadlines, grab a free tool like Notion to keep everything organized and in one place. You can store your client notes, content calendars, pitch templates, emails, everything within the workspace. If you're not sure which AI side hustle to start with, Go with what you already enjoy. I've mentioned a link down below a bunch of tools that you can try out. And if you use any of those links, we do get a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. In fact, it helps us keep making free videos like this one, so thanks a lot in advance. If this is helpful, like, subscribe for more, and check out this video.